Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the best products from the cleaner store. And today we've got something you'll love, the Whirl Fresh Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets. If you're someone who wants to keep your washing machine in pristine condition, this is definitely the product for you. These washing machine cleaner tablets come in a 24-pack and are designed for both top-load and front-load e-washers. What makes them stand out is their compatibility with major brands like LG, GE, Samsung, Whirlpool, Maytag, and Electrolux. So no matter what brand you own, you can rest assured these tablets will fit right into your cleaning routine. Let's dive into the features. The beauty of these tablets lies in their instant deep cleaning action. You simply drop one tablet into the washer, run a regular cycle, and that's it. No scrubbing, no extra effort. The tablet dissolves quickly in the water and turns into a deep scrubbing powder that tackles tough grime, dirt, and even hard water buildup. This means that stubborn residues that affect your machine's performance are easily removed, ensuring that your washer continues to work like new. Whirl Fresh doesn't just clean, it also helps to eliminate any odors that may have built up in your machine. This includes hard-to-reach areas like the drum, tub, and rubber gaskets. With regular use, your washing machine will smell fresh, and the interior will remain spotless, ready for every load you wash. Another great benefit of these cleaner tablets is how they help maintain the performance of your washer. By using them regularly, you prevent the accumulation of grime and detergent residues that can slow down your machine or cause malfunctions. It's a simple way to prolong the life of your washing machine, saving you time and money on costly repairs or replacements. Using these tablets is super easy. Just drop one tablet into the washer tub, run a normal cycle, and once the cycle is complete, use a towel to wipe away any leftover residue. For optimal results, it's recommended to use them twice a month. This will keep your machine running smoothly, and your laundry smelling fresh. So, if you're looking for an effective and hassle-free way to maintain your washing machine, the Whirl Fresh Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets are the way to go. It's affordable, easy to use, and most importantly, it works wonders to keep your washer in top condition. Be sure to check out the link in the description to grab yours today, and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more product reviews on Product Critique.